freedom.
बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहां रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने, उस वतने अजीम को रहती दुनिया तक कायम रखना. Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. So let's celebrate the freedom. I feel privileged to welcome our Honorable CEO, Sir, respected coordinators, benevolent teachers, and dear students. Today, we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating 75th Independence Day of our beloved country. So I, from the core of my heart, welcome you all to today's function on the behalf of Grizzly family. Freedom is for everyone. It doesn't cease color or shapes. We have had enough of hate and violence, and now we need to build our new future full of love and understanding. We celebrate this day each year to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighter in rescuing our motherland from the clutches of British. This day also celebrates to showcase the importance of freedom, how much it costs. So without any delay, I would like to call Gaurav to please come and take permission from Sir.
सावधान, विश्राम, सावधान, खुली लाइन चल. जय हिंद श्रीमान. इंडिपेंडेंस डे परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है. आपका दिया हुआ कार्य संपन्न हुआ. जय हिंद श्रीमान. समीक्षा क्रम में मध्य से तेज चल.
Every Indian feels proud, commemorate or celebrate Indian Independence Day. For doing the same, I would request Honorable CEO Sir to commemorate the flag hoisting event. I would also request all of you to do a wonderful clapping salute to the flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है।
I would again like to call CEO sir to address us. So please.
Thank you, Faria ma'am. Respected team members and my lovely students, good morning and happy Independence Day. आज हम सभी स्वतंत्रता दिवस की 75वीं वर्षगांठ के लिए यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं और आप सभी को इसकी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आज इस समय बचपन में स्कूल के दिनों में पढ़ा हुआ एक कविता याद आ रहा है। आप सभी ने भी शायद उस कविता को अपने स्कूल के दिनों में पढ़ा होगा। पुष्प की अभिलाषा, माखनलाल चतुर्वेदी जी के द्वारा लिखी गई ये कविता। चाह नहीं सुरबाला के गहनों में गूंथा जाऊं, चाह नहीं प्यारी माला में बिंद प्यारी को ललचाऊं। मुझे तोड़ लेना वनमाली, पद पे उस पद पे देना तुम फेंक, मातृभूमि को शीश चढ़ाने जिस पथ जाएं वीर अनेक। आज भी ये कविता जब कहीं सुनने को मिलती है, so this poem truly reminds us of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters and the martyrs, which ultimately resulted into the independence to the nation that we are celebrating today. It is a day today when we should remind ourselves of the sacrifices and the efforts made by those freedom fighters and martyrs, so that we can learn to value the freedom that we have got and that we enjoy every year, every time. We are privileged that we are born in a free country. We are allowed to think, develop an idea, and make that happen by using all the resources that are available at our end. But our freedom fighters did not have the same privilege. They were born to be slaves. They were not allowed to think, they were not allowed to create an idea, and they hardly had any resource available for them to achieve what they wanted. But they chose to be otherwise. But they chose to do otherwise. They struggled to achieve what they wanted to achieve. And it is their contribution and sacrifice that today we are privileged to enjoy the freedom that we have today in our life. In fact, our school curriculum allows our students to know about them. Thankfully, our education system has been planned in such a manner that our students get enough chance to know about them, so that they can be their role models. Those freedom fighters can be their role models. And by emulating them, by following their footprints, students can proceed further in their life towards their goal. I remember a few years before, when we were celebrating our school annual function, it was the secondary year school annual function, and one class enacted a drama based on the life history of martyr Udham Singh in the supervision of R.D. Pandey sir, if I'm not wrong. I still remember that I still believe that the boy who played the role of martyr Udham Singh, who lived the character of martyr Udham Singh, that character must have influenced him immensely. And not only today, in the years to come, this will really work as a checkpoint for him to ensure that he maintains his personal integrity in his life. We all are patriotic. We all want to show our patriotism. But we all know at the same time that to show our patriotism to our nation, it's not necessary that we always go to the border and fight against our enemies. Let's realize the fact that in this society also we are surrounded with many of the invisible enemies in the form of the problems in the society, against whom we can fight and contribute to the growth of the nation and be patriotic in real sense. Today, when we are asked to participate in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we are asked to think of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan. We are motivated to live our life for the social causes. And many of us sitting in this assembly area are really living their life for the social causes. And that adds meaning to our life. Because when we live our life for the social causes, we ensure that our country gets freedom from the filth that has spread around. We ensure that our society gets freedom from the atrocities that women are facing in the society. We ensure that when we ensure that we overcome our own weaknesses in the form of greed, jealousy, animosity, hatred, when we ensure that we overcome these all weaknesses of ourselves and we try to make ourselves pure in real sense, we add to the growth of the nation, because where we are passing our time, our daily life, whether it is our family or our workstation, if we add to making that surroundings a better place to live in, a better place to work at, we are equally doing something very, very important, and that also adds to the growth of the nation, and that is also patriotism. For the last 2 years, it has been a trying time, a challenging time in real sense. Pandemic has disrupted the life process of almost everyone. But we believe that no path is impossible, no path is difficult if our resolution is strong. We believe that tough time never lasts, but tough people do. In fact, the tough phases in our life are not there to remind us of our weaknesses or show us our weaknesses. The tough time in our life is there to remind us of our potential and the strengths that we have. And the teachers, who are the nation builders, those who contribute to a great extent in building society. We know that parents and teachers impact the life of a student to a larger extent. When these teachers, despite all the difficulties in their life, struggle or swim against the stream of the river and stand with the students, they emerge victorious in a real sense. We believe that soon this tough phase will get over and we will again enjoy the same pleasure of our life that we used to have. Here, I would like to quote some lines that ये जिंदगी है जनाब, कभी हंसाएगी कभी रुलाएगी. ये जिंदगी है जनाब, कभी हंसाएगी रुलाएगी. जो सह लिए वो निखर गए, जो सह लिए वो निखर गए, जो भावनाओं में बिखर गए, जो भावनाओं में बह गए वो बिखर गए. With these words, I wind up my speech by giving you all best of luck for everything in your life. Once again, Happy Independence Day to one and all present here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. It really pathfinder and for us, and it will give us inspiration for further journey also. Lastly, I would like to thank all of you for your participation in this event. That's all from my side. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.